This is a live interactive sales dashboard. It took under a minute to build, and it costs nothing extra. What used to take a team now takes a prompt. A dashboard like this, animated, filterable, live, used to mean a BI developer, a Tableau or Power BI license, somewhere between $50,000 and $200,000 in annual software costs, a project team of 3 to 5 people, and anywhere from 2 weeks to 3 months of back and forth before you saw a single graph. That was the standard. For most companies, it still is. Not anymore. What I started with was raw data, a spreadsheet with sales records, lead names, companies, deal values, industries, countries, pipeline stages, probabilities, sales reps, sources, the kind of file that sits in someone's Google Drive and never becomes anything useful. Just numbers in rows. The tool I used is Claude Anthropic's model, currently at version Sonnet 4. The subscription is $19 a month. I wrote one prompt. No technical specifications, no chart types, no color codes. I simply described what I was looking at, what the data represented, and what I needed to understand from it. I asked for something visual, interactive, and professional. That was enough. The full prompt is in the description if you want it. There it is. At the top, you have 6 KPIs, counting up in real time. Total revenue, deals won, pipeline value, win rate, average deal size, top performing rep. Hover over the monthly trend line and the exact figure for that month surfaces instantly. The donut chart breaks down where every deal sits in the pipeline. Won, lost, still active. With one look, the rep performance chart tells you immediately who is carrying the number and who isn't. And then, this is the part I find most useful in a real meeting, the filters. I select a sales rep and the entire dashboard updates. I filter by industry and everything recalculates. I search by company name and the table below responds live, no refresh, no loading, no IT requests. All of it came from one CSV and one prompt. What used to require expertise, budget, and time is now available to anyone who can describe what they need. You don't have to know how dashboards are built. You don't have to know what a chart library is. You just have to know your data and know your question. The next time you walk into a meeting with a spreadsheet, you don't have to anymore. The prompt is in the description. Try it.